This 2023 Grand Design Imagine AIM 15BH is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately notice your booth dinette seating, which can be folded into a bed. Next to this is a massive kitchen space with a sink, a 2-burner gas cooktop with a range hood, and a microwave. Also in this area, you have a flat screen TV above your refrigerator with a freezer drawer beneath that. Overhead, you have tons of cabinet storage. Moving into the back of the unit, you have a 40 by 80 inch bunk above a 60 by 80 inch bed. To the side, make note of your storage nets. Adjacent to this is your bathroom. Outside, you have your battery disconnect, solar charge controller, and water hookups located in a huge storage compartment. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.